Hi, this is Gordon Ho, and I'm going to show you how to navigate with our enhanced LinkedIn lead generation software. And we're excited to share with you how to get to your data a little bit faster. We've kind of built this from a sales rep's perspective to take advantage of all the data that LinkedIn provides and maybe do it in a way where it's a little bit easier for you to grab. First thing you want to do is you want to log in into your account. We'll be providing you credentials to your own specific login. And once you log in, you'll see some tabs up top. Ready to review. This is a research list that we are researching for you on a weekly basis. You click on these links to kind of study the different companies who we've done research on and learn a little bit more about them and make sure you're understanding them. Click the view of the individual and take a look at their individual profile. You can check these individually to indicate the ones that you're interested in talking to for us to go research and connect with. Or click all and we can go target all of them all at the same time. So we have a couple ways for you to help filter this out to let us know who to go connect with. We've also accumulated all of your existing connections here in displaying, from a salesperson's point of view, all the data that we feel that you would think is important to have a quick overview and snapshot of your existing connections. Obviously, company name, first name, last name. You can also sort this around. We're also capturing email addresses, location, date we connected on. We're keeping track of all your messaging in here and your conversations. But something real cool on the locations. Let's say you're traveling, you're going to a city, and you want to just talk to people in St. Louis when you're traveling. We can filter this out so you can specifically go find the folks that are just in St. Louis, for example, here. These are just little things that we've taken, just data manipulating, hoping that might help out a sales rep as they're looking to engage with their particular clients. Again, you can manipulate around the different tabs here. Then we take over the messaging. Messaging is we're pulling up incoming messages directly from LinkedIn every 24 hours. Again, you can go back to the individual that sent you a message to remind you of who they are, but then you can also click on the message itself, and we take you directly to that message, and you can respond right there to that message. As you know, in the LinkedIn messaging, the most recent message comes in. If you got someone from 5 days ago, you have to scroll all the way down and go find them. Hopefully, our solution here lets you find it a little bit faster. Let me take you over the strategy guide. This is the content that we work on your behalf. And this is where we come up with the customized messaging. So at any point, if you want to tweak this or want to know what message is going out and what the scheduled date is for it to go out, we have it all here for you. So we have nurturing articles that we can send out, call to actions, even email messages, follow-up phone scripts, whatever it is that you've had good practice with, we can load it in here so you can reference it. But this is kind of what we go off of, and this is what I work with your team on. So you're always in control, and we're just kind of executing it for you from this point. So anyway, that's an overview of the enhancements here. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. But we hope this helps you out. Thanks a lot.